Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What we got today for you? Today we've got a Renault Kadjar and we're going to be tinting this one. It's going to be the full vehicle that we're going to be doing, and it's pretty nice in terms of the colour of the vehicle itself, so I'm sure once it's done it'll look very nice. But we're doing the front two windows in a 70, and the rear windows, as you can see, they have been slightly done from factory, but we are going with the limo black on there to increase the privacy. So these ones should be pretty straightforward. The rear again is one of those where we've got the spoiler in the middle, so we're just going to have to work around with the film itself, and it also has a bit of an odd shape here at the top with the dot matrix. Apart from that, it should hopefully be pretty straightforward. So what I'll do as usual, I'll set you all up on the tripod, I'll give it all a clean, and then I'll work on the sides, on the rear. I'll work on the two door windows in the back, and then I'll probably come to the back and then go to the front after that as a last measure. So yep, in the meantime, if you have seen any of our previous videos or this one, please do subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you guys all very shortly. Right everyone, there you go. The Renault Kadjar has been done. This one took us a little bit longer than I would have thought, but the windows weren't bad. But anyway, we've done the front on the 70, we've done the rears on a limo black, and as you can see it does look pretty nice there, and so does the front, a nice little subtle finish. The back as well is looking pretty good. I'm just giving it a little clean and just waiting for the customer to arrive to pick it up, so hopefully he'll be happy with it when they collect it. But yeah, that's another one all done. If you like that one, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll be posting many more in the days to come. Yeah, in the meantime, take care and I'll see you all soon. Thanks.